Okay, after seeing what the Python interpreter looks like and how it works on Windows, let's do the same on macOS. First of all, you access the Python interpreter right from the terminal by simply typing in Python 3, enter. At this point, the interpreter awaits your code and you can work with this interface just fine. On the other hand, you might also want to use idle, which, as I mentioned in the previous video, is Python's default IDE, meaning Integrated Development Environment. In order to access idle on macOS, you can simply open it right from the terminal by typing in idle3. So let me exit the interpreter, and now I'm going to type in idle3, enter. Okay, so this is the version of idle designed for Python 3 under macOS. As in the command line version of the interpreter, you can notice some basic information being displayed right at the top of this window, such as the version of Python and some helpful commands, among other details. Also, you might see a warning message stating that the version of TCL/TK in use may be unstable. TCL is a programming language and TK is an extension toolkit that provides a library of elements for building graphical user interfaces. An unstable version of TCL/TK might trigger a crash for idle in some scenarios, and of course we want to avoid that. Now you might not get this warning at all on your own macOS version, and that's great, you're ready to move on. However, if you do get this warning message, then you should go to Python's official website, which is python.org, and then download the latest version of Python. Then simply install it as you would do with any other software package on a macOS. As soon as the package is installed, you can open up idle once again and you will see that the warning message is gone. Moreover, you have other options when it comes to running Python code besides the command line interpreter and idle. You can use your own preferred IDE if you have one, for instance PyCharm is very popular, as well as IPython or Jupyter Notebook. I will use idle throughout most of this course because it is instantly available when installing Python, thus simplifying your learning process and enabling you to focus on the code. For now, let's move on to the next lecture.